Alright guys, should you learn how to create landing page with Canva? Of course you should. And when we are talking about creating websites with Canva, you can actually create different type of website because of course you may have different reasons for creating websites. Your own website may be probably you want to be collecting emails like a lead generation website. You want to use the website as a portfolio. You sell online, you need a website for your product where you can list your product, collect payments, make delivery. You want to create a business website, a personal website, a portfolio. You can always do that with Canva. So here is an example. So this is actually what we are going to build together. So this is my website. I help business to grow, and as you can see, accelerate your business growth today. Unlock your business potential with our expert solutions designed to drive growth and success. And you have a button here that says register now. Then when you click on this button, it's going to take you directly to our WhatsApp chat where you're going to chat with us, tell us more about what you need and all that. So we're going to start building this website together. So basically what we're going to need right here is just this picture, which I'm going to provide link to download the picture for you in the video description. So if I click on Canva, so what I want to search for, I want to search for website. And if I go to website and it's going to give me a suggestions, then I want you to click on this one right here, this particular one that says website 1366 768. I want you to click on this one. So when you click on that one, it's going to, of course, it's going to give you a bunch of results. And one thing you want to make sure is you want to make sure that you are logged in. If you are not logged in, all you need to do is to click on the user icon right here, and it's going to show you the login model, which is that you can where you can choose login with Google, login with Facebook, or login with your email. You want to do that. So after you have done that, you want to come back here to this page. So basically what we need, it's something related to business, right? Because we're actually building a business uh, landing page. So what I'm going to do, of course, I'm going to proceed with just anyone. So you can just pick anyone, just continue with just anyone. So I'm going to click the first one. So just click the first item you have on your results. Okay, so we are here, but this is not actually what we need. This is not at all. So I'm going to come down to search website templates. Then I'm going to search for business. Okay. All right. So we're here and we're just going to scroll down until we see what we are actually looking for. So I use this template to create this website right here, to create this. So I use this particular template. So two mistakes you want to avoid. Number one, you don't want to do anything from scratch because this is Canva. You have thousands of templates, so you can just choose from the templates and you're good to go. And the second mistake that you can't avoid to make is not subscribing to our channel, guys. I'll head back to my design. So I'm going to select this. Okay. So I'm going to say apply all 7 pages. So we have all 7 pages. So for the sake of what I'm doing right here, I want to delete all this. But if you're actually making a website, it's not going to be just the landing page. It's not going to be just this first page. But what we are doing is we're actually creating a landing page. So we're going to delete the rest of the thing. So if I click on this, it's going to delete. Of course, I may want to leave this probably for my stars. I want to delete this one. Okay, so we're good. So one thing we want to do here is want to delete this. We don't need this. Okay, so first off, we need to change this image, and I'm just going to go to uploads. I'm going to provide a link to the image down in the video description, so you can go there, download the image, and you're good to go. So I'm going to search for, so on my system I call the image, I call it black woman. So we have this. Okay, so just trying to bring it in again. I'm gonna drag it here because this is actually a frame. So when you drag an image inside the frame, it's just gonna fit in, and I don't like it like this, so I'm gonna double click. You can see that it kind of cropped out some part of my image. So what I want to do now is I want to shift my image to the left, just like this. Then I want to click outside, so that is going to save my editing for me. Okay, so what we want to do now is that we want to interchange the arrangement of the section. So we want to bring these two items to the right, while we want to bring all these items to the left. So what I'll do is that I'm gonna click on this one, then I'm gonna hit shift, the shift on your keyboard. I'll click this, and click the button. Then I'm gonna group them. So when you group them, you can now move all of them together without worry. So what I'll do, I'm just gonna move these guys here. I just want to maintain this alignment right here. So then I'm gonna click on this image, click on this shape, then I want to move the two also. So while you are dragging this to the right, you want to hold your shift so that it's gonna be straight, in a straight line. You can see as I'm moving my mouse, in a weird way, it still stay, horizontally. So I want to hold shift and I want to drop it right at this spot. Okay, so we drop that at that spot, and here we're going to come back here, then we're going to ungroup. Of course, we don't want them grouped, so I'm going to shift this to the left, and always make sure that you are using shift when you are trying to move something, so that it's going to maintain that position. So I want to click on this alignment. You can see this is right alignment, as you can see. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to make it justify, and of course you can click again to make it left. So left alignment, justify alignment. It won't really do anything because this is actually a small text. So I want to change the text here. So I want to go ahead and say welcome to, I want to use my channel name, so you can use just anything you want. So I'm going to click on that again. Then so we have the font size here. I'm going to reduce the font size to 12. I like even numbers, 12, 14, 16. That is how I do my designs. So so the content here, we want to change this to, so I'm just going to head over to ChatGPT. I'm just going to head over to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 title and description, and also call to action button for people that visit my website to sign up. So they need help with their business, and I'm here to help them with their business. So they're on my website. I need things that catch their attention, so they don't have to, they don't want to change their mind. Oh wow, this is actually what I need, something like that. So we have 10 here. I'm going to leave all these 10 down in the video description. So you want to pick just anyone that you need, or anyone that that aligns with you, whatever you're trying to build. And also let us know in the comments which one you're going with. So for me, I'm going to go ahead with the first one, here. Then we'll head back to our Canva. I'll paste it, so you can see we have it. It's quite big, I'll click outside the canvas. I'll come back and click on the elements. Then I'm going to reduce the font size. So this is the font size. We want to reduce that. Okay, we'll go with this. So for this one, I'll go back to ChatGPT. I'll copy the description here. Copy that. Okay, so I'll double click again so you can see that it's highlighted. Then I can paste. Okay, so paste that. So I'm going to click on this button. I'll move the button up a bit because this is now kind of looking empty. So I'm going to change this text to, so let's see what ChatGPT gave us. We have register now. Okay, so copy it. We don't want this long text because it's way too long. So I'm going to paste this. Okay, so now we are almost set. So we need an action on this button. So action, basically, when they click the button, what do you want to do? So in our case here, we just want to take them to WhatsApp. So they want to message us on WhatsApp. And also there are more things that you can do, so which I'm just going to extend the functionality of our website. So the other thing that we can do is to actually link it to our email. So when you click the button, you can actually mail us from the button. So I'm going to click on duplicate here. So it's going to duplicate the button for me. I'm going to place them side by side. Then I'm going to click here. Then I'll change the color. So we have two buttons. This says register now, and this other one says contact us. Okay, so for register now, if I click on this button, then I come here, these three horizontal dots, then you're going to see link. So this link says that, oh, when you click on this button, what do you want to do? Where do you want to take them to? So if I put https google.com, so this means that when they click on this button, I want to take them to Google. So what I will do now is that I'm going to generate a WhatsApp link. So I'll go to wall.link. Basically, that is the link, wa.link, and it's going to take me to this page where I can create a free WhatsApp link. So if I click on this, it's going to ask me to put in my phone number. Then I can put my phone number just like this. This isn't my phone number anyways. So I can say something like, okay, so I want to go back to ChatGPT. Then I'm just going to say, okay, so let's just copy from here. I'll go back, I'll paste. So I can say something like, hello, I need help unlocking my business potential with your expert solutions. Great. So whenever they click on the link and they come to our WhatsApp, they will automatically send this message to us, which is awesome. So we know where they are coming from. We know what to reply them. So I can click on generate my link right here, and we have that. So I can copy the link and go back to my Canva. Then I can paste. Okay, so whenever someone click on this link, on this button, it's going to take them directly to our WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on done. So for the second button, I want to click here again. Then I'll say link. So here, what do I want to do now is that I want to say mail to. Try. Okay, so I want to say mail to. So this function, so this is actually on the technical level, right? So this function takes whatever you put here as an email. So whenever they click the button, it's going to trigger to send email to this user. So I'm going to click on done again. So you can see we have two buttons and they are kind of on the line, and we don't want that. So when you click on the button, you check up here, you can see on the line. Now you can click that, then it's going to disappear. So let's do that again. It's going to disappear. Let's do it for this one. Disappear as well. So we have our website, and this is totally done now. So when we scroll down, you can actually change all this. So this is a frame. Don't forget, this is also a frame, a frame, a frame. I can bring in a picture here. You can see to just fit right in. I can also change this as well to just fit right in. Okay, so meet our staff. So we have this, we have that. I can change this guy to my name. I can say, okay. I mean, of course, I am not a lady. I'm not a woman. So we're just gonna leave it like that. So we scroll back up, and then our website is ready. So when we click on preview, so this is gonna show us how our website is gonna look like. All right, this is a very, very cool thing, bro. So if I scroll down, so we have our website. So when I click on this mobile right here, so I can now see how my website is going to look like on mobile phone. So whenever someone enter the website, whenever they visit the website on their mobile phone, this is how it's going to look like. And of course, we have all our, I don't mean to do that. Not yet. Oops, not yet. Okay, so we have our buttons, we have our image, and we have something here as well. So we can go back, and of course we can close this. So now our website is ready. We want to publish the website. Now we click on publish, and let's check our channel again. We still have 490 guys. You guys should subscribe. So let's go back. And so we have our website here, and as you can see, the link is pretty long. So you can click on edit here, and you can edit whatever this is. And I can call this coaching by Ope. Okay, so we have that. So we have a shorter link. So this is our link now, as you can see. And of course, you can attach a custom domain to it, which is something we don't want to talk about now, because it's actually a long process. So I'm going to click on publish website. So this is going to publish my website for me. And boom, there you go. So I'm going to click on visit website now. And we have this. This is insane. So when I click on register now, this should launch WhatsApp for me. But I'm on MacBook, I'm on system. The link will not launch the WhatsApp app for me because WhatsApp is not installed here. So this is what you're gonna see. So that is one of the disadvantages of using this WhatsApp link here. So that is why we have included the contact us. So when you click on this contact us, it's gonna launch their email. So this is MacBook. I'm gonna assume that when you're on Windows, it's gonna launch Microsoft Outlook or whatever. It's gonna launch it for you. So you just wanna put in their subject and write us an email, then we can reply from there. So because we don't want to lose anybody that comes to our website. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.